Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to do a head wrap using a t-shirt. Yeah, we're doing a head wrap using a t-shirt, right? So yeah, don't mind my hair. I'm gonna do it now. Don't mind my hair. Don't mind my hair. So basically, because it has this the label, we're gonna put it like, actually I put it like that because I don't want tags hanging out, and it's up to you. You can do your edges here, but before you put on the head wrap, then you just, it's not here. I don't know, you can use a ribbon to hold here or not, but basically what you do, you'll just roll, right? Then you wrap it like it should be like round at the back. Then you have to put in your ears, just be cute. And then like you can check your yeah. And yeah, that's about it. You can basically use any t-shirt of your choice and any color you want, man. But for safety, so that it does not, I put this so that it does not detangle itself. You see? You just, you have to make sure that the button is in the middle. And then thanks for watching.